welcome to my channel. So in today's session I am going to cover over there HTML tables. HTML table consists of table cells like rows and the columns. So rows and columns, how I will divide it? We are having a different schedules. So I wake up at different time, anybody else will wake up at different time. So what we do at that particular times? So we could just make over there that timetable like into the form of different days. We could just make over there different timetable so that we not get anything over there, like we could just shifted the things. So I will tell you all the thing how we could make over their table, and also I will cover it that how we will make over their borders on that particular table. And one more thing, not the least one, so it will be like that how I could make over the table size, like I could make over the table size small or bigger, it's up to me. So stay tuned to see my further video. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So in today's session, I'm going to tell you about HTML tables, and also I'm going to tell you about it, that how we are going to use it. So for that, I'm just telling you about it, that how we could use it. So I'm just sharing my screen. So over here, I'm typing over the Replit, and it's opened. Then I'm creating over there create Replit and choosing over there HTML CSS, and over here I could just type over there like any of the thing we could just use it. I'm just typing over there portfolio we did it. So portfolio, let's type portfolio. Inside this I will tell you about how we could make over there tables, how we could just make over there a partition. Instead of hello body, I'm just typing over there the heading, that will be h1. I'm writing over there portfolio. I'm clicking on the run, so it's moved it over here. I want it into the center, so I will just use the center. Then I'm closing a center over here. Like we earlier used it, if you want to see all the things that how we have done it, so you could just see it from my previous videos. So then come over there how we could create a table. So if we are creating a table, we have to just mention that we are writing a table. Then it's come over there tr. So tr will be a table rows. If we had made a row, we have to put the heading. So for that, I'm writing over there th. So th, for example, I'm having a th, that is my company name. So the next th, I'm writing over there my context, like what context I'm having with me. Then I'm just writing about th. That will be a country. Then after all this, it's going to be a table row again. So for that, I'm clicking on run so that you could see it. So these all are the headings. So after this, how we could put over their borders and all that. So for that, it's not looking nice. For that, what I will do, I will put over their style. So afterwards, I will make over their table, comma th, comma ed, then using a curly bracket. Then I'm putting borders. So borders are like that at a page I'm using any border. So that will be I'm writing over there 1 pixel. You could just mention any of it. And solid, I'm using over there black and using a semicolon. Then click on run. Yeah, it will run it. So meanwhile, we could just type it the next of the things. So over here, I'm just closing a style. Yeah, it's done like this. So if I want to add over there a next heading. So for that, instead of this portfolio,
I'm writing over here H2, a smaller heading over there. Yeah. Let me just remove it. Sometimes there we do sometimes glitch. So we could put it H2. I'm writing over there a basic HTML table. Then I click on run. Yeah. Then I'm just writing over there table style equal width. We could just put over there 100%. Yeah. Then I click on run. So I'm having over there these all the headings. So we scroll down and I start with after TR opening it, we will write over there TD. TD is for table columns and I'm typing over here now like I want Germany company name okay, so company I'm writing over there. Suppose I'm just writing this random company. Yeah. Okay. So afterwards I have just close it. So I could just close at that particular line instead of just closing into the next line. So that will be a T. Then I click on run. So you will able to see that it's moving to the company part. So afterwards, I just type over there some contact name. Like I type over there Maria and then close it. Yeah. So you could see over there it's going to shift to the content. So afterwards, I'm just writing over there a country. So I'm writing over there TD and I'm typing Germany. Then it's closed. To understand all this, we could just write over the different context. For example, I'm having over there, I'm writing TR, then I'm typing over there TD. So I'm having over there company name. For example, I'm having the Microsoft. Microsoft. And then I'm having over there contact, like I had taken a contact from, suppose these are like the Jack, the contact number name. And I taken it from India. I click on run. We could see that how we could just make it up. So if I don't want this black border, I could just change it. For example, I want blue. Mm. So its eyes blue is little bit dull. So instead of that, I could just use W. Yeah. Same way, I could just make it a different one. Afterwards, I could just mention over there a paragraph to just remember it. So that how I could add in up the borders and all that if I want to add it. Then comes to the table borders. So for table borders, we had done this code. And if I want certain collapse, so for example, I will show you that also. I write over here border, then I put over there collapse. Then over here also it will be collapse. Then let's see how it's working. So collapse going to be show me like this. So a collapse border will be only the single part. So instead of using this one, we could just use a simple one. So it's up to you. I had shown you the two of the thing. If you don't want it, so you could just remove it and then click on run. So it will be a border will be a different. So if I talk about the sizes of our tables, that how we could just adjust the size. So size we could just put with the help of this width. We could just adjust the sizes. And if I want to adjust the styles of the heading, for example, I'm having over there this th and I want to change it the style over there. So I put over there style equal width Put over there 70%. Suppose I'm using a 70%. Then I'm clicking on run. And you could see that it's broad enough. So it's up to us how we could just adjust the things. We could just make it over there different sections. We could just write over there first name, last name, point. We could just mention it any of that. So suppose I'm just copying this one to show you all the part that how it's going to show me. I'm just pasting over here. So I'm just writing over there first name, the last name, and over here there will be points. So it's up to me that how much I want to just add in up the thing. It's only this much part. So hope you like this video, and if you stuck anywhere, no need to worry. Just tell me in a chat box, like comment in a chat, so I will just help you out. That's all about. Thank you so much.